Okay, I think I'm just gonna call this random Ubud. So I described the street in Ubud. There's all these kind of cool looking streets everywhere, and this is no exception. You got some ramen shops, a burger bar, all kinds of cool stuff. Pizza as well. Live acoustic at 7 p.m. That looks interesting as well. Norwegian food. Okay, so what we're gonna do is kind of go down this street and kind of follow this along and show you whatever we can see. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so random Ubud, we're gonna try to walk into the river. There's like a little river over on that other side. That's kind of where we're coming from. Yeah, and actually right away, there's some kind of cool stuff right over here. So there's actually a path you can walk. Oh, there's even a thing. So yeah, this is, we call it random Ubud. Pretty cool right there. There's shortage of interesting things around here. And this one is equally interesting on the other side. So we're gonna head down that way in a minute, but I'm gonna kind of highlight this river part as well. It's pretty cool. Fish spa. Okay, so we're gonna wander down this way a little bit. Happy hour. So we'll call this random Ubud. I would just kind of go up and down the street a little bit and just kind of see what we can see here. Painting exhibitions, there's quite a few of those. Let's see here. We're gonna stick around this way. Some alleys. The alleys have a lot of interesting stuff too. Hey, this street has a lot of happy hour stuff. Okay. I hear the gamelan. The food valley. I'm going to show you some of the stores as well. Oh, there we go. Okay. That looks kind of cool. Just kind of show you what's... Oh, that looks really cool. Right in Ubud. Oh, didn't expect that. There's so much artisans here. Okay, it looks like over on this side we're gonna have some views of that water. So of the let's see here. So it looks like over here We're gonna have some views. So much interesting stuff everywhere. Oh, I was thinking this was gonna overlook rice fields. Looks like it overlooks something different. Students. That's kind of the street that we're going down. I guess I'll stick with it. And kind of see some other stuff that looks interesting, like that stuff over there. So I think I'm just gonna cross. Ubud seems kind of endless. I was trying to find the heart of it, but it's kind of everywhere. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this particular street, and then we have another street that we could focus on. Let me just kind of see what we can see up here. There we go. That looks kind of cool. So it looks like, I don't know, I might, but anyways, that's kind of random Ubud. So I think what I'm gonna do is just end it on that spot. So random Ubud. I couldn't tell you the name of that street. Maybe Jalan Dewisita. But it is kind of a nice little space. I think it's actually Jalan Dewisita. I was gonna end it right there. So random Ubud.
Toma cuidado, la